In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data flow diagram using draw.io all in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through all the necessary steps to get you up and running with a clear and effective data flow diagram. Whether you're mapping out a process for your team or organizing your thoughts for a project, this guide will simplify it for you. Let's get started by heading over to draw.io and opening a blank diagram. Once you land on the home page, navigate to the Create New Diagram option and select Blank Diagram. This is your canvas where all the magic happens. Consider this your starting point. Next, you'll want to select the shapes that you'll be using in your data flow diagram. In the left panel, you'll find various shapes and icons at your disposal. Click on the shapes that best represent the components of your data flow. Typically, you might use rectangles for processes, ovals for external entities, and parallelograms for data stores. Take your time to choose shapes that clearly relate to the data elements you'll be using. This will help you and others understand the diagram later on. After you've placed your shapes, you'll need to add text labels to them for clarity. Simply click on each shape and start typing. This is where you'll specify details like the name of a process or data entity. Clear labeling is key to making your data flow diagram both informative and easy to read, so be as descriptive as possible while keeping it concise. Now, to show how data moves from one part of your system to another, you'll want to use arrows. Look at the menu bar where you'll find the arrow option. Click on it and then drag it across your shapes to connect them. Each arrow should naturally flow from one shape to another, following the order of your process. Remember, these arrows represent the flow of data or instructions between the elements in your diagram. The direction and connection of these arrows are critical as they visualize the relationship and movement within your system. Make sure that each connection accurately represents the flow of data you intend to illustrate. Adjust the arrows as needed by clicking and dragging their endpoints to align them perfectly with your shapes. Finally, to complete your data flow chart, continue adding and connecting shapes as necessary to capture all the details of your data process. You can repeat the process of selecting shapes, labeling them, and connecting with arrows until your diagram fully represents your intended data flow. This simple yet informative approach effectively maps out and communicates your data processes. Now that you've learned to use draw.io for creating a data flow diagram, feel free to explore other features and customize your diagram even further. Happy diagramming!